Good day, everyone. I am Rosala Biabi, and I will be the one to discuss to you the types of transfer, which is first we have the positive transfer, and next is the negative transfer, and the specific transfer or the near transfer, and the last, which is the far transfer. So, first we have the positive transfer. So, it occurs when learning in one context improves performance in some other context. So, example of a positive transfer is like, for example, skills in playing the violin facilitate learning to play the piano. And another example is a knowledge of mathematics facilitate to learn physics in a better way because physics is a hard science that is more on mathematics. So when you know or you have a lot of knowledge or a broad knowledge of mathematics, then it it is easy for you to handle physics or to study physics, since it is inclined or related. And second, we have the negative transfer, which is occurs when learning in one context impacts negatively on performance in another. So it is the opposite of the positive transfer. That's it. It's opposite because positive transfer gives a positive impact on performance, while negative transfer give a negative impact on a performance. So it is opposite. So it means negative transfer is opposite to positive transfer from the name itself. Negative, so it's opposite to the positive transfer. Then next is we have the next transfer or a specific transfer, but we can also call this one as a near transfer. So an example of near transfer is that a technician is trained to replace a hard drive in a computer with a similar or the same type of hard drive. Or a clerk received training to use a troubleshoot that mail sorting equipment and then perform these exact same skills on the job. So that is an example of a near transfer. That is an example of a near transfer. And the last but not the least is a far transfer or a general transfer. So again, it is opposite to the near transfer. From the word itself, near, so similar. From the word itself, far, so it's far from each other. So far transfer or general transfer refers to transfer between contexts that on appearance seem remote and alien to one another, so unfamiliar to one another. The example of far transfer is that learning a number problems and substituting addition word problems for the transfer task. So that is unrelated or uninclined. So that is an example of a far transfer. So that could be all to my assigned topic, and thank you for listening.